In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change document background color in Google Docs. This is a quick way to give your document a fresh look, make headers stand out, or improve readability for long pages. You'll see that it takes just a few clicks, and you can even use exact brand colors if you have them. Start by opening the Google Doc you want to update. If you already have it open, great. Make sure you're in the document editing view so you can access the menu bar. This process changes the background for the entire document, so choose a file where you want a consistent look across all pages. Next, go to the File menu in the top left corner of your screen and select Page Setup. This opens a small dialog where you usually set margins, page orientation, and paper size. It also includes the control we need for background color. In the Page Setup dialog, look for the option labeled Page Color. You'll see a little color circle next to it. Click that circle to open the color picker. A palette will appear with a range of preset options, along with choices for custom colors. If you already have a specific shade in mind, like a brand color, you can use a hex code within the custom color selector. That lets you match colors precisely, which is helpful for templates, letterheads, and consistent styles across multiple documents. Choose your color from the palette or set a custom color. As you decide, think about contrast. If you're picking a darker background, you may want to use lighter text so the content remains easy to read. On the other hand, a soft pastel or very light gray can reduce eye strain while keeping text crisp. If you don't love your first choice, don't worry. You can always come back and adjust it the same way. Once you've selected the color you like, click OK. The change applies instantly to the entire document, across all pages. This setting is document-wide in Google Docs, so it's not applied per page or per section. The margins, layout, and content remain intact. Only the background color changes. When sharing the document, collaborators will see the new background automatically. For printing, keep in mind that some browsers and printers may ignore background colors by default, so if you plan to print with the color, you might need to adjust print settings separately. And that's it. You've updated your document's background color in a simple, reliable way. Feel free to experiment with different shades to find the perfect style for your content, and revisit Page Setup anytime to switch it back to white or try something new.